Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do a little haul. I'm actually collaborating with YesStyle for this haul, and I thought it was perfect because I've been wanting to get back into fashion. I've been wanting to do lookbooks again. So I thought this was a great way for me to kind of see what's out there, explore what I like in fashion, what I don't like, and just get myself back into it. And I thought it would be fun to share what I got with you guys in case it inspires something in you, gives you some ideas on what to look for, something you like, don't like, and just a way for me to talk about clothes because I haven't done that in a while and I really miss it. Before I jump into the haul though, I do want to share something super exciting with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I worked with Cosmetics for a shoot and for a campaign, and it just launched a few days ago. They recently launched 2 new Infinite Lip Cloud shades as part of their Vintage Essentials collection. So these are the 2 new colors. This is Red Divine and this is Evening Primrose. Red Divine is a true red shade, and then Evening Primrose is a vibrant fuchsia. They asked me to create 2 sets, one for daytime and one for nighttime, to be part of the launch. For the nighttime set, we have Red Divine, and then I included a red gloss and also the black brush tip liner. And then for the nighttime set called Nightfall, we have the new Evening Primrose shade, a Morning Mocha Caramel Nude shade, which is one of my all-time favorites, and also the brown brush tip liner. So these are the 2 sets that are on sale for $39 each. It usually would cost $61, but as part of the launch and the campaign, they are selling it at a lower price. So if you guys are interested in purchasing and supporting the launch and the campaign, I will leave links down below where you can see the products in full detail and see the swatches and colors and all of that. And I just want to thank you really quickly for supporting me, because I wouldn't have been able to do that with Cosmetics without your support. So thank you so much. With that said, we can move on to the haul now. I'm gonna start off with some random things that I got before moving on to the clothing. So the first thing I got is actually this bucket hat that's leopard print. It also has a black inside, so it's reversible, and I loved that it has, you know, 2 ways to wear it, and I'm really loving it so far. I've been seeing bucket hats everywhere in all styles, colors, so I just really wanted to try that trend for myself because they're actually pretty cute. I remember being like in elementary school and thinking they looked so dorky, but I actually really like the look now, and I think it's really cool how fashion changes over time, and it's kind of taught me to never discredit or talk badly about a trend, because you never know, it might come back in like 10-20 years and be the hottest new thing. That's kind of what I've learned as I've gotten older with fashion. I also got this chain belt hanging thing. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while now, and I saw this one on their site, and I love that it has a loop. It has another keychain thing here so you can hang things off of it. I just wanted something that I could accessorize my jeans with, especially like my more baggier jeans, to give it like a different kind of look and mix it up a little bit. And I think accessories, I don't wear them often enough, but I think they really help to elevate an outfit just by adding something like this, or a ring, or a hat. I have 2 more small items. So this one is a hair clip that's like a tortoise shell, and I just wanted it because I've been seeing Barettes everywhere, and I wanted to try this style on myself, so I got this. For makeup, I did pick up 1 item. I picked up this lip color from 3CE. This is their Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Nude. So I actually already have one of these that I was running low on, so I had to get this because it's another favorite nude shade of mine. It just goes really well with my skin tone. It looks really nice and soft on the lips, and I love the Velvet Lip Tint formula. It's not drying, it's just really nice and soft. When I got the first one, I got it when I was in Korea, and I was so sad because I wasn't sure if I could get it out here. So I'm really glad that YesStyle carries 3CE lip products and makeup in general. Okay, now we are moving on to the fashion items. Let's start with this. I haven't even taken the tags off of some of these yet, but I have tried, I think, most of these on. So this is a black cropped hoodie, and it has this half loop thing in it because it also comes with chains that wrap around on both sides, and I just thought it looked really cool and edgy, and I just wanted to pick it up for my lazy days when it starts to get colder, but it would still not look too lazy because it has a chain, it has some accessories to it. So I wanted something comfortable but still elevated in some way, so I got this hoodie. I swear I didn't just get black items, but everything I'm showing you so far and closest to me are black items. But I got this black ribbed like kind of mock neck, turtleneck tee with a zipper that goes down the side. So I liked it because I really liked the zipper detailing and how it just has a different placement on it. But to be honest, I wish this zipper wasn't so gold. It just makes it look cheap, and then the zipper actually came a bit folded and dented, so I had to like straighten it back out, but it did seem really flimsy and that it could just break on me. Yeah, aside from that, it's just a pretty basic tee. Could go with this outfit as well. So I got these purple shorts. I'm sorry it's wrinkled. They've been sitting in a pile all together. They kind of remind me of like cargo shorts, utility shorts or something like that. It also came with this buckle belt, and I thought it was really pretty purple. I don't own anything like this in my closet, and I thought it would look really cool with some chunky black boots. I wanted to challenge myself with color, to play around with more color, more silhouettes, and just different kinds of styles, and explore, get out of my comfort zone and all of that. It is like a tiny bit big on me, which is fine because it does come with a belt, but the annoying thing about this is that they have these belt loops in the front, but they don't have a belt loop in the back. It would have been perfect if they did, because then it would secure the shorts on better, the belt would fit better and not move around so much. That is the only unfortunate thing about this. This also has a pocket here on the left side, but this one is not a real pocket on the right. The next thing I got was this red jumpsuit. Comes with a sash to tie around your waist. This actually fit me really well. It's super comfy and I can't wait to bust it out because I love red. It's such a beautiful color. I used to not like wearing red. This also has pockets on the side, which is great. Next, I got this yellow polo tee. I'm sorry it's a little wrinkled right now, but I will iron it later. So it comes with these colorful buttons on the side, and I thought it was just really spunky and cute. I thought this would be great for casual days, just something fun, and again, something with color that I could play around with. And yellow is my favorite color, but I never wear it, so I was like, let's try this. So this next item is a little bit different from what I think I usually wear, but I really love it, and I feel like I've seen this a few times elsewhere, like in the past, and I saw this on their site and I just really wanted to get it. It's like another long polo tee, but I want to wear it as like a dress. It's a little too short to be worn as a dress, so I'll just have to wear like shorts underneath, but they won't really show. And I don't know what it is. I've just been really into dragon stuff, or things that remind me of my culture and how I grew up. My parents used to have this little like jade dragon sculpture thingy in our house, and now I kind of want one to put on my bookshelf, just to kind of like pay homage to them in some way. And my grandfather is actually the year of the dragon. I've always had an affinity for dragons, and I thought this would just look really cool, like even in the fall time, that I could wear like a long sleeve turtleneck underneath it and chunky black boots or something, and it's just something more on the edgier side, and I really like it. So this next piece that I got, I'm actually not really in love with. It is this lacy baseball type tee right here, and it also came with a tank top, so you layer it underneath. This reminds me of like a top that I used to have in like high school or something, or middle school, I don't know. I got it because I thought it would be a much more casual tee that I could wear out, but because it has this like lacy material, it kind of makes it look nicer. But then the silhouette is like a baseball tee. So I'm not really sure how I feel about this one just yet. Maybe I can try to make it work for my style, because I feel like I've just shifted away from this. Next, I got these black pants. They look super profesh. And I got these because I wanted something nicer so that I could wear to go to events. But now that I think about it, I have a ton of black pants. Like the nice black pants and the casual black pants. I have a lot of black pants. For some reason, I thought I needed another pair. Okay, more black items. I got this long sleeve V-neck button up. I followed like a few new people on Instagram, and they wear very like relaxed pants, relaxed top, and it just looks really cool and casual, but still like upscale and put together. It reminds me a lot of Parisian style, Parisian fashion and outfits and stuff, so I really wanted to get this to emulate that. This is another item that's black, and it's actually a skirt. It has a zipper all the way down to the bottom, and what I really liked about this skirt is that you can adjust these zippers, so you can have a slit down here if you want to. You can have like a slit on top if you wanted to, probably not this low though. And the zipper is supposed to go on the side, if I remember correctly. Like, that's how I would wear it anyway. Unfortunately, this skirt is freaking huge on me, so I'm really sad about it. I might go get it hemmed to see how it would fit. Okay, the next thing I got is a suit set, short suit set. So it comes with these pink shorts, or mauve. I guess this would be more mauve. It has pockets on both sides and a string to tie, but the string does not adjust the tightness of the band. It's just for show. These shorts fit pretty well, so I'm not too concerned about that. It also came with this tank top. The tank top is big on me. It does not fit me. And then the set lastly comes with this blazer, and I really wanted to get this set because you can mix and match, play around with different things. Like, I can use this jacket for another outfit. I can wear these shorts with something else. Lastly, I got these pair of jeans. So I just wanted some no shape jeans, but these also don't fit me very well, and I'm sad about that because I thought they would, considering it's like from Asia. These are still pretty cute. I think I can still make them work. So that's it for my little YesStyle haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I picked out and that it gave you some ideas on things to buy. I will leave all the links to the items down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. Again, I'm leaving the links to the M Cosmetics promotion down below, so if you want to check out those lip colors and the products, it'll all be down there. I am really excited to be talking about clothes again. This is just the start. Gotta like ease my way in. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!